Hi everyone, I'm Daphne Kalliomaki, and I'd like to introduce you to my newest listing at 3671 Edgerton Road in beautiful Blackstock, Ontario, which is literally 9 minutes to downtown Port Perry. So conveniently located. This is a very unique, one-of-a-kind property. As you can see, it's a log home. Beautiful logs that were actually harvested in Durham forest. It's beautiful 30-year-old home that has so many updates you wouldn't believe it. This is a 3+1 bedroom home with 3 bathrooms. It has 30 acres with ponds. So if 3 is your lucky number, this is the place for you. I'm sitting here in the loft. This has so many possibilities. You can make it into an office, it could be a kid's play area, it could be a study, it could be anything you want. Perfect art room even. Come and take a look, but I want to show you the rest of the house. This might be my favorite spot, but there's lots more to see. Let's go. Working in the open concept kitchen, beautiful open space all throughout, great for entertaining, 10-foot island. Isn't this a great sitting room? Great for socializing, just reading a book. This is an awesome property. So much open concept for a big family or for entertaining guests. What a great primary room, don't you think? Walk out to this view. The nature on this property is unbelievable. You get herons, you get otters. It's so sweet to watch. We have a 3-piece ensuite attached, as well as a very updated and recently done walk-in closet. Hey, you're in the laundry room already. Great floor plan, main floor laundry, extra space for a freezer or an extra fridge if you need a bar fridge, if you know what I mean. Hey, if you think the inside is great for entertaining, look at this back deck. All been coated with Duradeck. Durable, high-end, ready for you to have your next get-together. I am here on one of the beautifully manicured trails. You have a culvert here that have all been expertly done, so all of the ponds source into each other or out if there's overflow. These trails that run throughout this property are excellent. Look at me, I'm in high heels and I can still walk them. It's a great spot to walk your dogs, but I don't recommend you do it in high heels. But if you have kids and you like little dirt bikes or whatnot, these trails will also fortify that. Really great for a family. Let's go walking. I hope you enjoyed our walk around the trails and the ponds. I'm going to go into our walkout basement here. This basement is partially finished. There's a bar, there's a geothermal furnace, and there is a workshop. There is so much space down here. But you know what? We're not going to show you that in the video. I want you to come out, take a look at this beautiful property. My name is Daphne Kalliomaki from Ball Real Estate. If you're working with a real estate agent, please, I encourage you, give them a call. Have them show you this property. And you too will be surprised at this beautiful basement. Until next time, bye guys.